Guys, welcome back. I wanted to give you guys a quick update here on the miners. I got two of these Solana miners right here. I know I've talked about SolMiner in a recent video now. One of these makes 2,900% APR and the other one makes 800% APR. I'm going to break both of them down just real quick and make the comparisons between the two and tell you what I would choose to do based on your risk tolerance. If that sounds good, smash that like button because we're going to dive right in. We're just going to take a quick peek at these miners once again. Now my face disappeared. That was crazy. Let me just make it a little bit smaller. So we've got the BananaMiner here. I've been in the BananaMiner for about 2 weeks now, and it is still alive. Why aren't they showing anything in here? Because I'm not logged into a wallet here. I'm not on any of these wallets, so they're not showing what's actually on that one. This one will show you what's on it. So SolMiner right here. So this is what you're looking at. You're looking at the TVL. You're looking at the Solana that's inside of the contract because that's what you get paid out in. And then you'd have your miners and your Solana that's in your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you'll be able to see this stuff, right? I didn't connect my wallet because my stuff is on my other computer where I've got my VPN in a different region. It's different. I would not always use a VPN whenever you're using any crypto sites. Okay, guys? And by the way, I got the VPN on here too, but I don't want to connect any wallets on this one. Anyway, you're getting 2.2% from this one, but you're getting 8% a day on this one. Now, what's the difference? What's better? You'd assume that the 8% would be better, but the difference is that the 8% is less sustainable because the 8% is going to drain the pool much faster. 2,900% APY is going to just drain the pool. I've been in this for weeks. The TVL maxed out at about 4 million. Now we're below 1 million. So this one's going down. This one's sort of dying out a little bit. I would probably steer clear of ones that have this high of an APR. This one right here, I got into this one. It's brand new. I got into this one about 2.5 days ago. Brand new. You guys are at the ground floor early to it. You're late to BananaMiner. You're early to SolMiner. And the 800% is way more sustainable due to the fact that this is like a quarter of the daily returns. Imagine a quarter of the amount of cash hemorrhaging from the project. Like, they have to pay this Solana out to everybody who has miners. And this is why, like, you know, if you're in this thing, if you buy any in this thing, you'll automatically get a referral link down here. You can copy that and share that to your buddies. Send it to your buddies on social media or whatever. Be like, hey, I'm in this miner. It's making me money. All you got to do is buy some Solana on Coinbase or whatever. And you guys will get 8% bonus. So if you want that 8% bonus very well could just make up everything that you've put in to the project yourself. And then the 2.2% you get daily every day just stacks up right there in your wallet. Now, I would collect this nearly daily just because, like, everybody's taking the money out of the pool. You don't want to wait a week, 2-3 weeks, and then pull it back out of the pool. And I also wouldn't restake. You could restake if you want. It's early enough to restake, but I don't restake until I get my money back. And by the time I get my money back, the project is usually old enough that I'm just taking the profits until the project dies. Now, these projects, they're risky. Of course, it's high risk, but BananaMiner, I got all my money back. I got all my money back out of BananaMiner. Now any money that I'm pulling out of BananaMiner, which isn't much anymore because the pool is getting light, I'm pulling out about $5 a day out of it, which isn't much at all, guys. But it's all been profit. The past, I don't know, at least the past week has been all profit on BananaMiner. And as the pool gets lighter, this amount decreases. So it's weird the way that they have these set up inside of their actual contract because you're not getting 8% anymore once the pool reaches a very low level. They're like trying to make sure that it doesn't die until they get more people to put more money back in. But who knows with BananaMiner? What I do know is that SolMiner is being talked about by a couple of YouTubers, and because they're talking about it, this pool has been increasing about $10,000 a day every day. It's early in the cycle. If this thing gains traction, if more people put money into this, the TVL will increase, then the project can last longer and longer and longer. And who knows, I mean, like, in a world that we actually would like to live in, maybe this thing lasts 6 to 9 months. And to me, and I showed this in the previous video, I'm getting back, I put 190 into each wallet, right? I bought 2 wallets, 2 Solana in each wallet. It was 190 I put in. I'm getting $9 a day. out of each wallet about. So that's about 21 days, about 3 weeks to get your money back. You know, if this thing lasted 6 months, what's that? 6 times 4. It's about 24, about 26 weeks if this thing lasted 6 months. And so you're talking the first 3 weeks are getting your money back, and then the rest of the weeks are all you getting total profit. So say it lasts 26 weeks minus those 3 weeks that it takes you, you're getting 23 weeks of profit times 7 days. You're getting 161 days of profit. And I broke this down in the last video. If you put 1,200 in at the rate that I'm getting the money back, I'm saying I'm getting $18 back off of $400. Times that by 3, that would be about, what is that, 56. So you're getting 50. You would be getting $56 a day. If you put 1,200 into this, you would potentially, I'm not a financial advisor, I don't know what they're gonna give you, but you could potentially get $56 a day times how many days? What did I add up here? You're not going to make that money. Are you really? No. I had it wrong. No, 23. 23 days, 23 weeks times 7, 161. All right, 161 days times your $56 a day. That would be your profit if this lasted 6 months and you put 1,200 in, right? So initial investment of 1,200, make your initial back, and then an additional 9,000 is your approximate reward if this miner lasted about 6 months time. So this is just some numbers. If you guys are really wanting to know, like, how much can I make from this miner? Is it worth it to put my money into this miner? Yeah, maybe. If it lasts, if you're early, if you see this video immediately, this might be your only and best time within the next few days to get your miners secured. And I bought about $400 worth. It's based on your risk tolerance. That was my risk tolerance for a DeFi project like this. I don't mind these projects because if you're in early, you get your money back. I got all my money back in BananaMiner. I'm in profit. And who knows, if BananaMiner picks up, then I could be getting more and more money, more Solana all the time from the bananas that I have. However, SolMiner over here early on. So you guys can potentially get in now, get all your money back in the next 2, 3, 4 weeks. It's faster. You could do it faster if you have buddies that would buy in with you. If you have a group of guys at work or whatever that'll get into something like this, use your referral link to pull them in, and then you get your money back way faster, and then you're in profit. That's the whole goal. The whole goal here is to get to profit as fast as possible, because when you put your Solana into these miners, the Solana stays in the miners, and you get all the Sol back, guys. Right? Okay? All right. Cool. Now, smash that like button if you got some value out of this bad boy right here. I'm going to leave links down for both of these so you can look at the websites down in the description. I'm not guaranteeing it's over for BananaMiner, but if I had to pick the two, SolMiner would be safer, SolMiner's earlier. SolMiner, you know what I mean? You could ride the wave on SolMiner, and I'll be giving you guys updates basically on what's going to happen with this thing. I'll be looking at the TVL steadily. I check it every single day. As long as the TVL is going up, I think it's a good idea to get in. Once the TVL starts going down, then you're on that ticking time bomb. So as for right now, we're looking good because it's going up 10K every single day. Take what you will with this, guys. Not financial advice. Obviously, do your own research on this stuff. There's not much research to do, but they got 3 links down here. I think that's the white paper documentation right here. You can look through it all yourself. Don't take my word for it. Check it out yourself. It's your own money, guys. So anyway, subscribe to the channel. I got more videos like this coming for you guys. These are my riskier DeFi videos. I want to like make stuff for an array of people. I want to make airdrop videos for people that want safe stuff. I want to make meme coin videos for people that want medium risk. And I want to make videos like this for people that want high risk. So anyway, hope you guys got value. Have an amazing day. I'll see you guys on the next one, and take care.